Hi everyone, and welcome to week 2 of Writing 111. Each week on Sunday night or Monday morning, I'll shoot a short video to show you what we have up for this week. So because we're beginning our second module, which is a personal narrative, I've just uploaded a lot of media and assignments. So you can see for week 2, as soon as I finish this video, I'll upload it here. We have quite a bit of media this week, but it's mostly pretty short. Some of it's just an infographic or a short video. So I have a couple of readings and then some other associated media that you should make sure that you have read, watched, and paid attention to, and those will inform your personal narrative assignment. You might want to start by looking at the personal narrative assignment, which I have posted here in week 6. So if you open up this document, you'll see the personal narrative assignment that we're working towards in this module. I recommend starting here so you know what the final product is going to be, and then we can talk more about this in class on Wednesday. But make sure that you have read this assignment really carefully and that you're prepared to ask questions about it. Also keep in mind that you have this document that is showing you the full breakdown of your assignments for each week. So I've posted all the assignments and media for Module 2 with a personal narrative, all the way up through when it is due in week 6. So the assignments are designed to build on each other and help you move forward with your writing. This week, you are going to complete a communication inventory. It's kind of like the introduction assignment, but you're thinking more about how you communicate as a human. I have offered you my communication inventory at the very beginning, just like in the introduction assignment. So again, make sure that you fill the full page and that you've given me lots of information about how you communicate, and we'll use that as we move forward as writers. The other 2 shorter assignments that are due this week are a response to King and Gardner, which are 2 readings from your media this week. And to each of these, I'm asking you to write a 1-page response. As you do that, you should be using these they say, I say templates, which are really important. They're from a very important book on composition and rhetoric that's really, really expensive. But I think that without having to buy the book, this set of templates that's opening very slowly on my computer does a really good job preparing you to interact with source material. I think that my internet's moving really slowly, so maybe I'm not going to show you this. Oh, of course, now it just opened. So these templates are the most important pages from the They Say, I Say book, which is a common text in first-year writing courses. We're going to come back to these templates quite a few times because interacting with source material is some of the most important part of academic writing. So make sure that you have read these carefully and understand how to employ them. In addition to responding to King and Gardner, you're also going to respond to Maslow and Cuddy. These media are going to help you think about learning in a way that will help you to start developing the ideas in your personal narrative. And so again, I'm asking you to write a single spaced page in response to each of those that includes like a summary of the information and then kind of an analysis of yourself in that context. Both of these are going to be due on the 27th, which is Friday. The communication inventory is due on Wednesday. You can also see in the classroom the steps that I put in for weeks 3, 4, and 5. I'll ask that you not complete that work until it is actually assigned in the week that it's due, but you can feel free to look ahead at it. In week 3, we'll engage in a large group workshop where you get to see a former student's paper and talk about what's working with it and what might be useful in terms of revision. We'll do a similar exercise as a small group workshop. In week 4, you'll submit a brainstorm, and then later on that week, a draft of your paper. In week 5, we'll engage in peer review, and you'll share your draft with classmates, and we'll work together to make it better. And then in week 6, you'll submit the final draft of the personal narrative. So that's what's up for this week in this module. I'll look forward to seeing you all in class on Wednesday.